materials that you have in front of you, and I'm going to come around with the baggie, the Ziploc, and I want you to describe it in as much detail as you can. Okay, that can be the texture. If you would like to smell something, how do you smell it in science?
You got to whip it.
You don't do this. You walked it. Yeah, you walked it. Why don't you stick your nose down in it? Because then well, you can get it into your nose and into your lungs. It could burn your nose, the membrane, nasal passages. Okay, so you can smell it if you walked it correctly. Dantes, what's wrong with that picture? No. Okay. And then just kind of look at the texture. If you want to move the spoon around, just be careful so the stuff doesn't fall out. So I want you to write them and then describe them. So take a few minutes and do that for me. Okay, so step 1 is put your goggles on. You guys should have already done that. Step 2, you're going to add 1 spoonful, and I need to get some rulers out. Come around, I'll give you each a ruler as well. Okay, and what I want you to do, when I say 1 spoonful, everybody watching? Do I mean this? Or why?
Because that's not one.
That's not 1 teaspoonful. Okay, you can take a ruler or a pencil and you just come across and you wipe it until it's about, you can pat it down if you want to. Okay, until it's about flat like that. That's actually more than a spoonful. Okay, but some of your baking soda is chunky. Everybody see that? And that's a big spoonful because it's still heaping over. So you can do a much smaller, more level spoonful. So I'll give you a ruler to do that with as well. Okay, so 1 spoonful of the baking soda, 2 spoonfuls of the calcium chloride. You're going to put that into the bag. And then I need you looking at me for a second. You're going to put your powders into the bag. Okay, and then I just want you to put them in 1 corner. So you're going to put the powders in 1 corner of the bag. When you've got the powders in there, I want you to twist the bag, then measure out 10 milliliters of the phenol red. Then you can pour that in here. Then you need to do step 6 and you seal the baggie. Okay? I would recommend 2 people do that. 1 person holding, 1 person sealing. As soon as the 1 person has sealed the bag, I give it to another member of your group and say, check the seal. Okay, and go back over and you'll probably find 1 or 2 little things that haven't been sealed. Once you have it sealed, then you release. Okay, mix it up if you need to. And I want everybody in your group to have an opportunity to feel it. Okay, and look at it. So you keep it near the middle of your group. If you need to stand up, you're more than welcome. Just be very careful not to trip over any book bags. Okay, so if everybody wants to kind of be around 1 corner of your table, you're absolutely welcome to do that. Make sure you seal it. You didn't seal it. You hit it. Feel it. Mix it up. Hot. Feel it.
How hot is it?
Feel it, Daylin.
Can I feel it?
No. No. It's pretty.
Oh, okay.
It looks like an egg.
Oh, okay, girl.
Good job, Caitlin, following your steps. Oh, it's hot.
Touch it. I already touched it. That looks like an egg. That looks like an egg.
What else do you notice about the bag?
It's like poofing up.
What do you think that's poofing up?
I'm scared. Oh, I know.
Why is it poofing up?
Because like it gets really hot. It gets really hot. Okay, now my hand.
Why is it poofing up? What makes it poof?
Air.
Air. So why is it poofing up?
Oh, man.
Is y'all's bag sealed real good? Damn, like.
It's going down.
Okay.
How did you get that red stuff? Is Taylor Gang? Taylor Gang.
that one was good.
Huh?
Yeah, that was good.
We observed.
Which one good? Which one good?
This one's so good. You
She
can mix
didn't
it up a
see
little more.
us. She didn't see ours, that's why.
Great. Make sure you do number 8 once you've done number 7. Okay, once you've untwisted and you've observed, then you need to record those observations. You need to write those down. Right? You can call them lab observations. All those things that you are seeing, feeling, hearing. Okay, good. It's good that you're noticing that. Some people have said it's starting to get warm. Some people have said now it's starting to get cool.